English news for learners. Today is April 25. Today we have 3 stories about technology and the environment in Japan. Let us get started.
水素鉄道のテスト開始. A major Japanese railway company has started tests. They are using a new train. It is powered by hydrogen fuel cells. This is a big step. It aims to reduce carbon emissions. Many local lines are not electrified yet. This new train changes that. It can travel 140 kilometers on one refill. That is very efficient. It produces 0 carbon emissions. This is much better than diesel trains. The project will help reach carbon neutrality. The goal is the year 2040. Commercial use starts in early 2027. Hydrogen is a key clean energy source. It will change the future of transportation in Japan. Many people are watching this test closely. It is a very important development for our planet. Next topic. AI 店員の導入. A large supermarket chain is using new technology. They have launched AI-powered shopping robots. These robots help customers navigate the stores. They offer personalized product recommendations. They also help people find items quickly. 50 stores in Tokyo have these robots now. The system is very effective. It reduces search time by 30%. This helps elderly shoppers a lot. It also helps tourists find products easily. Retailers are facing labor shortages right now. Automation is becoming a very popular solution. The company plans to expand this service. All branches will have robots by 2028. This will make shopping much easier for everyone. Technology is really changing our daily lives. Moving on to our final story. Researchers at Hokkaido University made a big breakthrough. They tested a new underwater drone. It is an autonomous machine. It explores the deep ocean floor. This helps us understand marine ecosystems. The drone can go 4,000 meters deep. That is extremely impressive. It is also very efficient. It uses 50% less energy than older models. This technology helps monitor climate change. It tracks effects on deep-sea environments. Japan has a huge exclusive economic zone. This research is very important for the country. Full-scale expeditions start this summer. Scientists are very excited about these results. They hope to learn more about the ocean. It is a new era for underwater exploration. This is the end of today's news. Today, we learned about hydrogen trains, AI shopping assistants, and deep-sea exploration drones. These are great examples of how technology improves our lives. Keep practicing your English every day. You are doing a great job. Thank you for listening. See you in the next episode.